Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this integration, we need to separate them into two fractions in here. The first one we have e to the power of 2x over e to the power of 2x plus 1, and the second one that's about negative number 1 over e to the power of 2x plus 1. So we have two fractions in here. Now I will go to the first one. So about e to the power of 2x, we can put about e to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of x, because this one equals to this one. Next, I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to e to the power of x dx. This one we have number 2. That means e to the power of x, everything to the power of 2. So this one we change for u. This one in here we change for u. E to the power of x dx we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one. So we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 2u du. Because we don't have number 2 next to u, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for t. U du we change for dt over 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of t, and we put about c. About t, that's about this one. About u, that's about this one. And this is the answer for this integration. Now let's go to the last one. About this one, we need to multiply by e to the power of x on numerator and denominator. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. So we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to e to the power of x dx. So about e to the power of 2x, we will change for u, and we have u square in here. This one is about u. E to the power of x dx we change for du. Next, I will add about u square in here. Later that we need to minus about u square. So this one divided by this one and u square divided by u. So we will have about 1 over u minus u over u square plus 1. The integral of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integral of this one, we have about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u square plus 1, and we put about c. About u, that's about e to the power of s. And this one we can write into e to the power of 2s. And now ln of e to the power of s, we have s. Now we combine the answer in here. So for the first one, that is about this one. And the second one, we have the negative sign in here. That is about this one. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So we have the positive. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, we have number 1. And we have this one in here. Minus about s, and we put about c. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.